Welcome back to another episode of Initial Speed. This one's going to be a bit of a short one. This is a little how-to. So when I got the car, I only got one key fob with the car, one key with the car. So naturally, I wanted a backup just in case. Jumped on, good old Facebook Marketplace and was able to find keys for a reasonable price. The dealership wants like $300 for it, and then $350 to cut the key and then program the key to the car. Anyhow, I was able to find someone once again online, not too far from me, and they were able to cut the key. They were able to sell me the key. I found them on eBay, and they're not too far from me. Then I found another guy who can cut the key and program the key to the car. So I bought two backup keys because, well, the price was right, and had them both programmed. So now I have 3 keys to this car. Anyhow, in programming the keys to the car was reset, so the clock is off. So I'm going to show you how to set your clock, because it's something that I had to learn, and I'm sure there are others out there that maybe don't know. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so you don't have to start the car, but I did because, well, I'm stepping out. So the clock says that it is 9:03, when in reality it's 11:55 a.m. So you see a button here and a button over here. That's what's going to do it. So you push, there you go. It flashes, then you go to this side, and what did I say, 11? Oh, looks like I didn't do it right. Let's try that again. Push. Yeah, okay. Right, and 11, what did I say, 55? 56 now, so you push that again, get it over to the second set, and you start climbing. Now let's see, 56, I'm going to do 57, there you go. So now, once again, I believe you push that, and everything should be good. There we go. So, don't get confused with this P being AM or PM. This is an automatic car, so of course, that just tells you what gear you are in. So I hope that helped some of you. These are the little things that you learn along the way. Once again, the car is new to me, so, I'm learning all kinds of new things on this vehicle. All right, short and sweet. Have a good day. Initial Speed, we out. Hello, welcome to Initial Speed. My name is Phil, your host for the moment. Hello, welcome to Initial Speed. My name is Phil, your host for the moment. Just gonna give you a quick how-to.